Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. KK Misra. This is multiple choice questions MCQ on operations research part 5. This I have compiled in view of your examinations to be held very soon. This subject is also useful for not only MBA but UG students as well. Now directly come to the questions. Question number 1 dash is used to imitate an operation prior to actual performance. Options are A. Inventory control, B. Simulation, C. Game theory, D. Integrated production model. Correct option is B. Simulation. Question number 2 dash is concerned with determination of the most economic replacement policy. Options are A. Probabilistic programming, B. Linear programming, C. Search theory, D. Replacement theory. Correct option is D. Replacement theory. Question number 3. The OR technique which helps in minimizing total waiting and service cost is options are A. Game theory, B. Queuing theory, C. Both A and B, D. Decision theory. Correct option is B. Queuing theory. Question number 4. Linear programming technique is a options are A. Constraint optimization technique, B. Technique for economic allocation of resources, C. Mathematical technique, D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. Now move to next slide. Question number 5. A constraint in a linear programming model restricts. Options are A. Value of objective function, B. Value of decision variable, C. Use of available resources, D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 6. Before formulating a formal LP model, it's better to. Options are A. Verbally identify decision variables, B. Express the objective function in words, C. Express each constraint in words, D. All of the above. Correct option is all of the above. Question number 7. Linear programming technique helps to find an optimal use of. Options are A. Machine, B. Money, C. Manpower, D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 8. Which of the following is an assumption of linear programming technique? Options are A. Divisibility, B. Additivity, C. Proportionality, D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. Viewers, by and large, the correct options are highlighted here. In case of any discrepancy found in any question, that will be corrected through my narration. Question number 9. Which of the following is true with regard to a linear programming model? Options are A. No guarantee to get integer valued solution, B. The relationship among decision variables is linear, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Correct option is none of these. Question number 10. Graphical method if LPP uses. Options are A. Linear equations, B. Constraint equations, C. Objective function, D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 11. Constraints in an LPP are treated as active if they. Options are A. Do not consume all the available resources at optimality, B. Represent optimal solution, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Correct option is B. Represent optimal solution. Question number 12. While solving a LPP graphically, the area bounded by constraints is called dash. Options are A. Feasible region, B. Infeasible region, C. Unbounded region, D. None of these. Correct option is A. Feasible region. Question number 13. While solving an LPP, infeasibility may be removed by. Options are A. Removing a variable, B. Removing a constraint, C. Adding a variable, D. Adding a constraint. Correct option is B. Removing a constraint. Question number 14. Dash. Variables are fictitious and cannot have any physical meaning. Options are A. Slack variables, B. Surplus variables, C. Artificial variables, D. Decision variables. Correct option is C. Artificial variables. Question number 15. An optimal solution is considered as the dash among the feasible solutions. Options are A. Worst, B. Best, C. Ineffective, D. None of these. Correct option is B. Best. Question number 17. Dash method is used to solve an assignment problem. Options are A. American method, B. Hungarian method, C. German method, D. British method. Correct option is B. Hungarian method. Question number 17. The allocated cells in the transportation table are called dash. Options are A. Occupied cells, B. Empty cells, C. Unoccupied cells, D. None of these. Correct option is A. Occupied cells. Question number 18. In transportation problems, VAM stands for, options are A. Value addition method, B. Vogel's approximation method, C. Virginie approximation method, D. None of these. Correct option is Vogel's approximation method. Question number 19. Initial feasible solution to a transportation problem can be found out by dash. Options are A. VAM, B. Modi method, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Correct option is A. VAM. Question number 20. Dash is applied to determine optimal solution. Options are A. NWCR, B. VAM, C. Modi, D. None of these. Correct option is C. Modi. Question number 21. A transportation problem is said to be unbalanced when total supply is not equal to dash. Options are A. Total cost, B. Total demand, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Correct option is B. Total demand. Question number 22. For a minimization transportation problem, the objective is to minimize. Options are A. Profit, B. Cost, C. Solution, D. None of these. Correct option is B. Cost. Question number 23. Dash is an important operations research technique to analyze the queuing behavior. Options are A. Game theory, B. Waiting line theory, C. Decision theory, D. Simulation. Correct option is B. Waiting line theory. Question number 24. An organization chart is an example of dash. Options are A. Iconic model, B. Mathematical model, C. Analog model, D. None of these. Correct option is C. Analog model. Question number 25. Dash model is a map which indicates roads, highways, towns, and interrelationships. Options are A. Iconic model, B. Analog model, C. Mathematical model, D. None of these. Correct option is B. Analog model. Question number 26. Operations research techniques help to find dash solution. Options are A. Feasible solution, B. Infeasible solution, C. Optimal solution, D. None of these. Correct option is C. Optimal solution. Question number 27. Operations research technique involves dash approach. Options are A. Team approach, B. Critical approach, C. Individual approach, D. None of these. Correct option is A. Team approach. Question number 28. A LPP model does not contain. Options are A. Decision, B. Constraints, C. Feasible solution, D. Spreadsheet. Correct option is D. Spreadsheet. Question number 29. Straight lines shown in a linear programming graph indicates dash. Options are A. Objective function, B. Constraints, C. Points, D. All of the above. Correct option is B. Constraints. Question number 30. Non-negativity constraints are written as dash. Options are A. Quality, B. Non-equality, C. Greater than or equal to, D. Less than or equal to. Correct option is C. Greater than or equal to. So this was all about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked this. If you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.